Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about all of the things that I'm bringing on my mini honeymoon this weekend in Boston. I have some makeup and some clothes and like some other kind of things that I'm bringing. So I thought I would share those with you today. I know Boston might seem like a little bit of a strange choice for a honeymoon, but we were looking at places outside of Ottawa that we could just drive to for a weekend, and neither of us have been to Boston, and we liked the way that it sounded, so we chose to just go there for the weekend. We'll probably do like a bigger holiday sometime in a few months, but right now we just don't really have the vacation time or the money, so this is kind of the best option that we have, and I think we're going to make the best of it. We've got some really fun activities planned. So let me start off with some of the makeup that I'm bringing. Once again, I'm only going to bring my e.l.f. facial oil. Instead of bringing a moisturizer, I like to just bring oil. It saves kind of space, and I find that it usually works for the weekend. So I don't really need to moisturize every day. Having a face oil instead works usually just fine for my skin. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I really do like this e.l.f. Nourishing Facial Oil. I think it's pretty good quality for the price. So if you were thinking about it, I recommend it. It's actually quite good. Often when I travel, I don't usually like to bring face makeup. I like to keep it very simple, like just an eyeliner, eyebrow, and a lipstick. But unfortunately, I've been really badly breaking out, as you can definitely see. It's very obvious. Ever since I got married, I've been breaking out, and I really don't know what's caused it because I really haven't changed my routine that much. So I don't know what's doing this. But anyway, for this trip, I decided I would bring some. So I'm bringing my MAC stuff. So that's my MAC Select Moisture Cover Concealer in NW20. And then I'm also bringing my medium mineralized skin finish. This is good to bring anyway because it has a mirror, and nothing else I'm bringing has a mirror. So I guess that's fine. I really like to keep my makeup minimal when I travel, so this is a little frustrating, but this is probably the worst breakout I've ever had. I used to have very, very dry skin, so it's really unfortunate, but it's what's happening. So this is a very nice light powder, never cakes on me, very, very pretty. I really like this MAC mineralized skin finish, and it's in the color Natural. And then I also have my Select Moisture Cover Concealer. So I'll bring those. I just realized I don't have a brush for this, so it's good that I made this video because now I'll remember to pack one. And that's what I'm doing for base makeup. I'm also bringing my cheek tint instead of a powder blush. This is by Etude House, and it's called the Dear Darling Tint. This was in my panning list for the summer. Oh shoot, you could have seen it, but I just shook it. I actually got down to about here, so I've actually been using this all summer. I really do like it, so I think this will be nice for kind of more natural skin look. I don't want to put anything shimmery on my face because can you see how it's really emphasizing my acne? So my other two powder blushes have shimmer, so I think I'm going to skip those this weekend and just use this. For eye makeup, I'm bringing just a few things. This is a shattered gold eyeshadow. Yes, I shattered this. This was also on my panning list for this summer, but I'm really feeling it for this weekend as well because it looks very nice on its own. Yeah, so it's very shattered. This is what it looks like. Do you see how it glitters when it catches the light? It's beautiful during the day and at night, so it's very natural and you can blend it out very easily. So it's just little beige glitters, essentially. So I'm going to be bringing that. I'm also bringing my eyeliner. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim. It's okay. My friend also has this eyeliner and really likes it. But I find that the tip, like the very tip, is already kind of dry, so I have to stamp along the edge. I usually don't like it when eyeliners have a really long tip because that always happens. The end always ends up being dry. So maybe what I need to do is store it upside down, but I do my makeup on the go, so that's a little bit difficult for me. And the other thing is that it kind of fades throughout the day. So not my favorite eyeliner ever, but I've had some eyeliner disasters this year, and I think this is still the best one. So I'm bringing that eyeliner. I'm bringing this mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. It's called the Liquid Lash Extensions. It's fantastic. Oh, I'm not wearing it today, but it's a really good mascara. Like, it gives you these gigantic lashes. I wore it on my wedding day and I loved it. The color is Bryn Rich Black. It's a black mascara, but I love the lash extension. Oh, it's tubing mascara. That's what it is. This is incredible. I was really blown away by it. So I'm bringing it because it's a nice sample size. Sorry, eye itch. I'm also bringing an eyebrow pencil. This is the e.l.f. Brow Pencil in Taupe. Very, very good eye pencil if you like natural eyebrows. So I'll be bringing that as well. For lipsticks, I'm bringing three things, which is more than I usually do. Usually it's just a lip gloss or lip balm and a lipstick. This time I am bringing three. I'm going to force myself to use all three if I'm bringing all three. The first thing is this Dior lip gloss. This is a great lip gloss. It's the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer in 001. Really, really nice. Makes your lips look very big. I love how this looks. So I'm going to be bringing that. It's pretty, right? I actually like it on its own, I think, better than when it's on top of a lipstick, because sometimes it really like moves around the lipstick underneath. But I found that with all lip glosses. I don't really understand people who are wearing lip gloss over top of lipstick all the time. I'd rather just get like a glossy lipstick than have to do like the two-step thing. But yeah, so I'm bringing this. I'm also bringing Bite Beauty Chai. This is my fall lip color, and I'm wearing it right now. I found this very difficult to wear until I started just like using my finger and just patting it on. And that seems to be working a lot better for me. When I was using the color full on, sometimes it just looked a little bit off. So yeah, if you are not having a lot of luck with this Bite Beauty Chai lipstick, try patting it on instead of swiping it on. And this is just a sample size, so I plan to use this up by the end of the fall. So it's good to get started now. The last lipstick I'm bringing is this Buxom matte lipstick in Toxic Cherry. It's a bold red. We are going to see a Red Sox game, and I thought it would be fun to wear red lipstick to the Red Sox. They're playing the New York Yankees, and my husband and I are both very excited for that. I want to have a whole like vibe going. I want to buy a hat, and I'm going to wear my red lipstick. So we're going to get really into it and just really enjoy it. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. So that's why I'm bringing three. I'm going to wear the chai lipstick just around, and then when we go to the Red Sox game, I'm going to put on this red lipstick. Just in case, I'm also bringing this tiny sample of MAC Fix Plus. It's almost empty. There's just like a little bit left. So I want to put this on for the Red Sox game, so hopefully my makeup doesn't come off. So I think I will probably finish up this sample on the holiday. And that's it for the makeup. There's a few more little beauty things. I'm bringing my nail polish that I'm wearing because it seems to be chipping already, and I haven't even left yet. This is Innisfree. It's in the color 49. The name in English I think was something like Beautiful Sunset. It's this gorgeous pumpkin spice orange that is just perfect for September, October. Yeah, you can see it's already chipped, and I just put it on. So unfortunately it does chip easily. So that's why I'm bringing it, and I'm also bringing a top coat. This is the L'Oreal Gel Top Coat. I'm really, really enjoying this top coat. It is super shiny, super pretty. Love the top coat. So I thought I would just bring these two just in case. I said this was from Innisfree, right? The nail polish. So those nail polishes I'm bringing, and I'm also bringing just a handy sample size of Batiste. And I'm probably going to bring these earrings. I think that might be the only earrings I bring. These earrings I also talked about in my fall project pan. I'm intending to use these a lot more. So yeah, that's all the beauty stuff. So I want to talk a little bit about the clothes I'm going to bring. I won't make this too long because I know a lot of people don't really care, but I'm excited about it, so I wanted to share. On Saturday, that's the day that we're going to go see the Red Sox. The game's at 4 p.m., but when we leave the hotel, I don't think we'll be coming back to the hotel. It's a little bit outside of the city, so I decided I would wear this red t-shirt. I actually got it at a thrift store, but it's from H&M. When I played softball, our color was red, so I bought this t-shirt for softball, so it's really nice that I get to wear it to a baseball game. And I'm really going for just like comfy, like wife vibes, I guess, because I'm married now, so I really want like comfy, cozy, just like cute honeymoon vibes. So I'm bringing this t-shirt. And to go with that, I'm just going to wear blue jeans, but these ones are actually a little bit special. They have like this dark, so they're like regular blue jeans from Old Navy, but they have like a dark stripe down the side of them. And I actually find that it's super flattering with this like dark stripe down. It's like right down the side of your leg. And they fit really well and they make my butt look good. So I just think I'm going to have like a cute baseball girlfriend, well, I don't want to say girlfriend, wife, baseball wife vibes with this like red shirt and denim. And I'm also bringing this like cute coat. I am actually not sure at all what the weather's like, so I should probably check right after this what the weather's going to be like in Boston. It's very chilly right now in Ottawa, but we are going a little bit south, so I hope it's a little bit nicer. It also might rain, I have no idea. So I have this brown jacket. I think it's actually really attractive. I have a lot of really nice photos in this jacket. You can't really see because I'm wearing such a dark dress, but it's just like this really cute, flattering jacket. It has a very like flattering length, and it has these like brass buttons, very kind of like almost 70s jacket. It's from Reitman's. I got it on sale a couple of years ago. So I think it will just really suit the vibe, like red with this like brown jacket and denim. So I think it'll be really cute together. And I thought I could also wear these just comfy as hell boots. I can walk all day in these, and we probably will be walking all day. So I'm probably just gonna wear these boots that are just like very, very comfy, but still not running shoes. So that's my plan for Saturday. And I'm not sure if it'll work, but I also have this blue shirt that really brings out my eye color. See? It really like makes my eyes look super blue. So on Saturday, maybe I'll also bring this. I don't know if that would work because I'm wearing the jacket, but I'm packing this anyway, just in case. So I might not get to wear it, but I'm also bringing this blue shirt that just like looks really good on me. Also gives very nice like wife vibes. I think that's just like the collar. Like ever since I got married, I've been wanting to wear like collared shirts, and I'm not sure why. I think that's very like wife vibes. My mom was actually never married, so I don't really know what wives wear, but somewhere in my mind, I have that wives wear collared shirts. Can someone tell me like where I might have got that? I don't know. Do you also think that? Anyway, this is such a like a wifey shirt to me, so I have that too. And then for Sunday, I plan to just be a little bit more, I wouldn't say sexy because it's not really a sexy outfit, but a little bit more chic. So I have this green dress that I recently bought. I have a really good picture on my Instagram of it. It's like an army green dress. It's very similar to what I'm wearing, actually. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing like this kind of dress. That one is a little bit like looser, and the arms are a bit shorter. So I think that one is actually a little, like a touch more flattering. But it's also just like kind of like a collared shirt dress. But this army green is like super like fall, beautiful September kind of thing. And I'm probably going to wear these earrings with it. And the boots as well. So I'm going to be wearing these all weekend. Yeah, so that's the plan. I don't know. Let me know what you think of my outfit choices for Boston. Does it completely not suit the weather there? I really should look up what it's like. I know a lot of people wear hoodies. Oh, wait, am I getting that because of Harvard? I think Harvard's in Boston and people wear a lot of like Harvard hoodies. So I imagine that means it's kind of chilly. It's on the water, so yeah, let me know. That's everything I packed for this vacation. Sorry, I shouldn't say vacation, my honeymoon. That's what I packed for my honeymoon. And we're going to be together, so I know we're going to have a good time no matter where we go. But it's going to be great to go to a baseball game, and we're going to eat some seafood, I think Boston's popular for. See some old, like American old-timey stuff. Yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions of what I should do in Boston. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers and I'm at like 80. I'm getting close, so please subscribe, share this video, and all of that. Thanks so much. Bye.